There's nothing worse than when your stock turbo goes out and you have to replace it with the same stock turbo.
It is so disappointing when you put out so much money and you get the same performance level.
This is why we're so happy to introduce the Diesel Power Source Turbo Manifold Combo with the Turbonator series for the stock replacement.
These kits come with a turbo and a high flow exhaust manifold. Are for the 6.7 Cummins from 2007 and a half all the way up to 2024.
Because it's a stock modified turbo with an upgraded actuator and a high flow exhaust manifold, this is going to outperform the stock turbo by far.
These turbos are available in the 60 millimeter stock wheel size or 63 or 66 millimeter wheel sizes.
The 63 millimeter wheel size is the most popular and will fit most applications the best. But if you've got a truck that's over 550 horsepower, you may want to go with the 66 millimeter wheel size.
Remember, this kit is a stock drop-in replacement kit. Take out your manifold and turbo, replace it with our manifold and performance turbo.
So if you have a 2007 and a half all the way to 2018, or you have a 2019 all the way to 2024 6.7, we got the packet for you.
Now you know the best option when you have to replace your stock turbo. Go with the Diesel Power Source Turbonator VGT Stock Replacement Series Turbo Kits.